full. So then we check the radiator, antifreeze. Need to top it off a tad. This is 50/50. Hey, didn't need much. We take a look around the tires, make sure that they're wearing fine. These I'm going to recommend that they replace. Definitely going to recommend replacement. This one's not so bad, but yeah, these need replaced. Now we look at brakes. These brakes look fine. And then we want to grab the bottom of the tire, which I'll do this off camera, that way I can have two hands on it. But we want to feel for any play. All right. So we want to come down here and inspect the muffkin. Got to make sure the muffkin's not leaking. It looks good. We want to make sure shocks ain't leaking, springs ain't broken. All that stuff looks good to me. So guys, this car is good to go. We're going to inspect CV axles. Heck, they look brand new. Brand new. All right, we are going to get her off the rack. I gotta check a few more things and get her delivered. That is what I do for a living. Yep, and I like doing it. It's an easy job. Sometimes it's not so easy, but it evens out. And it's peaceful. I have no drama, no nothing, because I pretty much work by myself other than Junior up front. So, without further ado, make sure you get over there, down there, and like, share, and subscribe so you can see all the other awesome content that I bring you. Never know, because sometimes I do bring you stuff from this place if I have time to do it. Thank you for watching. Peace out and God bless.